Good morning, everybody. This morning I have been invited to go along for a couple of fun dives, and I thought I would take you with me.
So yesterday I met Tom, who is a diving instructor on the island, and he invited me to join him for a fun dive he was doing today. It's been over a year since my last dive, so naturally I was a little nervous. But Tom, he was fantastic. He put me at ease right away, spending time going back over the basics to make sure I hadn't forgotten anything. After that, he double-checked all the equipment before we headed to the boat. The boat ride started off really bumpy, but once we passed the headland and entered the sheltered bay on the other side of the island, the water was as smooth as glass. When we arrived at the dive site, Tom walked me through everything again, from how to enter the water to what I might expect and how he would go in first to be ready waiting for once I entered the water. Tom was the best dive buddy I could have ever asked for. He's been diving since 1979, first with the army and then as a PADI instructor. He has every dive master certification you can think of, and his experience really showed. Although the water wasn't as clear as usual because of the recent typhoon in the Philippines, it was still an incredible dive. The underwater world never fails to amaze me, and having a buddy like Tom just made it even better. So here's some footage. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Tom is such a character, and after the dive, he entertained us all with a few magic tricks.
I'm going to see if you like him or you love him. Okay? It's normal ring,
Yeah.
but magic. But if there is love in the air, we'll go like this. No love. We don't love him. Not yet. You need to think about it. She loves him. If you love him, it works.
No!
From my diving arm, you want it? Okay, so 3 coins, you saw? 1, 2, 3. Okay? And I'm going to take the coin and put to my hand. Okay? I'll take the other coin and I'll put into my very wet pocket. I found my pocket, yeah. Coin goes to the pocket. My hands are super quick. I go like this and we get through.
Well, this has been an absolutely magical day. Thoroughly enjoying myself. I can't be bothered to take my wetsuit off, so I've just come down for a dip. Right here, this is called Lonely Beach. It is so nice. And I truly have had the most amazing day. So thanks, Tom. Thanks for allowing me to be your dive buddy for the day.